Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zip, Quadpay, BNPL. Review my usage experience. Zip, Quadpay, BNPL. Review my usage experience offers a buy now, pay later BNPL service. It allows users to split purchases into interest-free installments, making larger purchases more manageable. Its target audience is likely consumers looking for flexible payment options for online and in-store shopping. Key features include easy application, installment scheduling, and purchase tracking. Their website provides details on eligibility and supported merchants. Zip's positioning focuses on providing a convenient and accessible payment solution. They highlight the absence of hidden fees and the straightforward application process. Ease of use is a significant benefit. The website claims a quick and simple sign-up. Availability is dependent on merchant participation and varies, so checking their website before a purchase is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zip, Quadpay. Getting started was a breeze. I signed up online in about 5 minutes. It only required my basic information and a linked bank account. The interface is clean and intuitive. I recently used it to purchase a new laptop. Splitting the cost into 4 payments made the purchase much more palatable. The payment schedule was clearly displayed, and I received email reminders for each installment. I was really impressed by how easy it was to track my payments and overall balance. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything through the website was slightly less convenient. I had a quick question about a pending payment and their support responded within a day via email. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear communication and straightforward payment system. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zip. It's a helpful tool for managing larger purchases without the immediate financial burden, though I wish they had a dedicated mobile app. That's my overview of Zip, Quadpay, BNPL. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.